We're Sia, Kristen, Kai, and Atlas. And this is our home, Luna. We live in here full-time, while running our business and raising our daughter on the road. Currently, we're on a road trip across the U.S., highlighting the best RV resorts and family-friendly activities this country has to offer. Leaving Canada during lockdown was a whole adventure in itself. If you haven't seen that video, we had to take our dog and 2-year-old on a private helicopter in order to cross the border. If you're curious to see how our Airstream made it across, well, you're gonna have to head on over to that video to find out. Now that we're in the US, our journey takes us to the heart of the Midwest. In this video, we're en route to Colorado. But first, we're spending a few nights in Illinois at an RV resort called Sunset Lakes. It's important to us to keep the whole family entertained on this road trip because we're 4 different personalities, all with different needs, and thankfully, these RV resorts have activities for the entire family. And this next resort is one of the most beautiful we have ever been to.
Good morning, everyone, from beautiful Granby, Colorado. We're here at one of the Sun Outdoors parks, and it's surrounded by beautiful mountains, incredible sunrises. I can imagine that sunset is gonna look beautiful here. And there's a lake right behind us that we can go stand up paddleboarding. There's like a little beach area. There's tons of hikes around, lots of fun activities that we can do here at the park and also around the surrounding area. But first, breakfast. And breakfast is extra special today. We got blue pancakes?
Yep.
What? I've never seen blue pancakes.
How did you make them?
You made these?
Yep.
Whoa. Let me see your tongue. It looks blue. Blue pancakes. How did you make these blue pancakes?
Made the flour from scratch, so you just grind up oats, rolled oats, and what makes it blue is blueberries, lavender, and blue spirulina.
Wow.
And to make them extra fluffy, you add a little bit of apple cider vinegar to plant-based milk, whatever you're using, and mashed banana.
I got one too.
Oh my god, that's really good.
I smell.
You can taste the lavender a lot. This place is huge. You need some sort of like transportation to get around, and having this electric golf cart has been super helpful, especially with a small child and a dog, and then just the both of us just to, scoot around, and it's super fun. Every morning Kai's like, let's go for a golf cart ride just for fun.
Okay, you like golf cart rides? A lot of people also bring their electric bikes, bicycles, one-wheels, electric scooters. It's just a fun way to get around.
After breakfast, we hopped in our golf cart to take a little tour of the resort.
This place really has everything. Like, you don't need to leave this resort to find entertainment. There's stuff for the adults, there's stuff for the kids, there's stuff for the teens. Everyone is having fun. I don't see a single person here bored, not knowing what to do. The surrounding area here in Colorado is gorgeous. Mountains and hiking and adventure sports. There's climbing, there's, rafting down the Colorado River, which is right next door. And as you can tell, I'm a little out of breath because we're high up. We're like 8,000 feet up. So physical activity is a little challenging when you're not used to being at altitude. It's gonna take a few days for my body to adjust.
Traveling with a child means we get an excuse to act like kids again. But keeping her entertained takes a lot of planning and energy. When we heard the RV resort plans arts and crafts for kids, we said, sign us up.
We need to find A.
All right, you want this one cut off? Sorry, guys. Let me have a scissors.
Because we're gonna make a bracelet.
Yes.
Yeah.
You're welcome. I can try it.
I have to wear that so I don't
Lose it.
Okay, Kai, now we start building it.
There you go.
You start putting them in here. No, you can do it. Whoop! All the way to the bottom. Okay.
I didn't know how to do, but and then I did it.
And then you did it. See how it fits on your wrist? That's probably good, right? Okay, hold on. Did you do it all by yourself?
Thanks for joining us this week, and we look forward to seeing you next week. But before you go, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos.